Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. So, this video. I've been waiting to do this for many months. So there's this company. It's gonna be like Kemper or the Chiba box or like the Daily High Club box. But this is brand new company. This is their first box. I've pre-ordered this way back when, almost probably back in February or something. I don't know. It's been a long time. It's been a couple months at least. But yeah. So it took a while for it to get me. I should have had it earlier, but I went to the different house because I recently moved and I forgot to change the address for it. So I finally showed up. I thought that the house owners that live there now took it, but I guess they gave it back to the mail company, and I guess they resent it back out here. So I'm very thankful for that. But without any more talking, let's get started. So I burned it open, to hide all my good goods. So let's open this up. Let's get my keys. And then I also have another box coming next week as well. So there's a lot of good things. So this is what it looks like inside. Pretty fancy. I enjoy the inside decorations. Here's a little paper. Let me look at this first. It says, Dear Jordan, we first wanted to thank you for supporting Koosh Box. We've worked hard over these past few months to make this happen. We hope you continue to support us as we work to improve our boxes and make the world a higher place. We'd also like to thank our team and constantly working to take this business from nothing to launching within 4 months. So I probably pre-ordered this maybe 3.5 months ago or something. Finally, we thank our designer, Andre. You can check him out at andrephoto.com. I'm guessing that's probably what he did for the inside or something. We hope your box has reached you safely and you enjoy all your goodies. Stay high, friends. That's awesome. All right, so looks like there's a couple glass pieces in here, and I'll put those off to the side. So the first thing is it appears to be a lipstick, but it's probably not lipstick. So let's open it up. Oh my god. I thought it was lipstick for a second. Oh, okay. So this is a little pipe. That's awesome. Very discreet. I probably wouldn't take it on a plane or anything, but as you can see, it's metal. Pretty decent quality. Beautiful, awesome. I'm gonna be testing that out here pretty soon. Oh, and there's no. Wow. Okay. So this is a lighter, but it appears that it's either not working or it's off. So let's see. I think it's out, but good thing your boy got some butane. Boom. It just needed some butane. So now that the flame's up, so let's try to adjust this. I don't know, but all I know is it works and I'm happy. So put that over there. Oh my gosh, yes. So this is something that they've made. So this is it's a little box. I'm 90% sure it's handmade. So there's a little swivel up here. And yeah, that's awesome in there. So it's just a little bat. You can put like a joint in there, but it's primarily made for a one hitter. So that's pretty cool. Put that to the side. And there's okay. I thought they didn't send it. Yeah, so this is the one hitter. It goes alongside this. So you put it in there, and then you carry it around like that. Then when you want to use it, it pops up, and then you're gonna put your herb and stuff in there, and then you're just gonna bite it down, and then light it like a cigarette, basically. That's cool. One hitter. Got a doobie tube. Got some Cyclone clears, and it says chill. I don't think it's any flavor. It just says cigar tubes. So it's just gonna be clear cellulose, plant cellulose paper. I don't know what the empty paper was. Got some socks. Very, very nice socks. They're very thick. Definitely not cheap. I can tell you that right now. Very nice, decent socks. Smell-proof bag. And then another hitter, another bat. Neat. Very neat. Awesome. Alright, well that was all the goodies that were inside there. Now we have 2 glass pieces. Well, let's do this one first. Let's see. Yeah, so how are you guys doing? So I haven't heard anything else from YouTube from them striking my videos. So it was just one that they age restricted. It was a random one. I think it just because it had weed in the name or something. That's why they did that. But yeah. Oh my god. I'm surprised this didn't break. So this is a regular pipe, but it has a mustache on it. So when you put it up to your face, it looks like you have a mustache. There you go. Does it work good? Yep. Nice. That's really neat. Wow. So I got that one, and then let's see what this one is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at this thing. Oh my god. That's wild. Okay. So it's a glass donut, obviously. But to use it, you flip it upside down. And then I don't think it really matters, but I think this is the mouthpiece right here. So you put your good stuff right here, and then this is the carb cap, and then this is where you suck in. Neat. Just a little dirty. It looks like there's like some tape residue on the outside. You know, it's fine. I can clean that up easily. But wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, so that was definitely worth the wait. And all the hardships with delivery and everything. But yeah, you know, got 2 pipes. Well, it rudely interrupted me. So like I was saying, we got the mustache pipe, got the donut pipe, Got the one hitter box with container, two metal hit bats, one hitters that look like this. Got some two lipstick looking things. If I could take this bottom off. No, I can't. It's not. You're not supposed to. Got a lighter. Ow! Shocked me. Then we got a lipstick pipe. Socks. Boop boop. And doobie tube. Yeah. So if you want to get this box, there's different tiers and sizes. It's definitely worth the price. I don't remember exactly how much it was. I think this one was $35, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, you can get this stuff at the Koosh Box OG .com, I believe. I'll have a link in the bottom to basically everything for them. But yeah, thanks for watching, and then I'll see you guys later. Peace.